Hey guys, what's going on? Fancy Gamer 964 here, and today I'll be doing another unboxing video that I got in the mail today. If you can see here, good like this one. Oh yeah, I'm doing an unboxing video for you guys to celebrate 20 subscribers on my channel. I recently got that yesterday. I'm very happy about that. Thank you so much for 20 subscribers. And now we shall unbox this box. Hold on guys for a second. Safety first. Alright, that's one side. Alright. We shall open it again. What? Another box. Another box? Hopefully there's another opening area. Nope. Fragile. Oh crap. Hold on guys for a second again. Alright, we shall open it. We shall open it, we shall. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap is my worst enemy at all. Okay. Sorry about my camera aim. Ooh. You can probably tell what I got right here now. The little strapper thing. Wow. So clean. And it's cold. This is the 12 hole Ocarina of Time. The 12 hole. What's the nice wrapper? Yep. This is the 12 hole Ocarina of Time. If you see my Ocarina of Time Kokiri edition, 7 hole edition, or whatever you call it, you just click on my channel and you find the video on my channel. Yeah, I'm gonna try this Ocarina out. You always have to put a finger on here? Do you always have to put a finger? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm Fancy Gamer 964 and I'll see you guys next time.